Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the MTF V trend indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the MTF V trend indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 28 different strategies, with 6 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 403 indicators, with a total of 166 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 166 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. Alright, as I said, today's indicator is the MTF V trend indicator. Now the MTF generally stands for multi-time frame. In this case, that is what it stands for, but you can see the V trend indicator here on screen. What I will do actually is go ahead and drop it to a new pane down below. You most viewers, if you are a regular viewer, have seen me do this before. It basically gives me a clearer idea or clearer picture of what's happening with the indicator, the oscillating line, especially these ones that are so embedded into price action. It's kind of hard to see exactly the color shift taking place in them. And so basically what we are looking for is when the oscillating line turns green, we are going to go long. When it turns orange, we are going to go short. So pretty simple setup. We've done this with multiple other indicators before. Not much to it at all. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get. Right, so it looks like we pick up a long right there for just a moment. It then switches back to a short right here on that one, but then back to a long right there, then a short right there, and almost immediately back to a long. Let's go ahead and measure out. Nope, I was measuring that little drop right there to see if that short actually picked up a win, but unfortunately it did not. Now this one right here, this long, did pretty decent, getting us to take profit. Then short over here, stopped out almost immediately though, as it flips to the long side right there, and that one is going to get us to take profit. Play this forward a little bit more here. So we pick up a short right there on that one. Flip to a long right there within a couple candles. Back to a short almost immediately. Then a long right there. Looks like it just rides sideways for quite some time. Would have probably got us to take profits. But over here it flipped to the short side. Let's just double check here. Looks like we might have actually been able to just barely squeeze out, take profit. There to there. Yep, we were. So right there on that long that we got there, we were able to get to take profit on that. Then we go short. Or actually that one is a long, canceling out the short that we were in. Then a short there, and that one's actually going to get us to take profit. Then we pick up a long right there on that one. That one is also going to get us to take profit. So moving along here, pick up a short right there. Excuse me for just a moment. Then long, short, long, short, long for a decent little amount there, but does not get us to take profit. We pick up a short right there, kind of same deal. Don't quite make it to take profit. Here's another long. Let's measure this out. That one might have been able to get us there. Let's just double check this. There to there. Nope, not quite. It's really close, but not quite there. All right, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and fast forward some of the video here. That way this doesn't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, we are at the end of the year now. Before we add these up, now would be time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you become a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. As I said at the beginning of the video, you will also get the full list of winning indicators that we have tested. Shows exactly which ones were winners and which ones are losers and their win rates. You will also get a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. And so that Excel sheet will show you exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. Another great thing about the Patreon only channel is that our admin and regular members are posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they're putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, exactly the indicators that they're using, where they are entering and exiting trades and taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. So a lot of wonderful benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all, so I highly recommend it. All right, so back to the indicator here. Let's see what we got out of this. A lot of signals, that is for sure. Let's go ahead and count these out, see what we got. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and 55. 55 trades all together, a whole bunch of them. And let's see what we get for winners. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 20 winning trades. And so that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we're looking for. It's unfortunate. This indicator definitely gave us a lot of trades. And so really bad over trader. We've seen this many times before. When an indicator gives this many signals in 1 year's time, often it does not do it accurately. So this one was no different. This is definitely going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.